Climate change is more than a weather headline.
Climate change is, in my view, the most difficult challenge that humanity is facing in the 21st century.
Florida is the most vulnerable state in the U.S. for climate change impacts.
Rain, heat, and pollutants are causing an outbreak of toxic algae. Exposure can cause a sore throat, nausea, and other health issues.
Scientific models predict most of Miami Beach could be underwater by the end of the century.
We are thinking of all those in the path of Michael, the worst hurricane to ever hit the Florida Panhandle.
Strongest storm to hit the U.S. in nearly 50 years.
Well, some researchers say the Zika virus may spread even further as the planet continues to warm.
Right now, about 145 million people live less than 3 feet above sea level.
But the question is, how can we turn the tide? As Nelson Mandela famously said, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world.
The CLEO Institute, I think, is the leading organization in the entire state of Florida now in terms of empowering people to act on climate.
CLEO is the #1 nonprofit, nonpartisan organization dedicated to climate change education, engagement, and advocacy. We engage with our community in many different ways. We work with our elected officials, we train community members to become CLEO climate speakers, and we help the community to connect the dots on how the changing climate is impacting their lives and why it's so important to take action. We also work with the youth through a variety of programs, empowering them to become climate ambassadors. We partner with scientists and organizations to advance our mission to build climate literacy in the community. Climate change is more than a weather headline. It's become a humanitarian crisis. It's time for a climate change of mind. Join CLEO and be a part of the solution.